So everyone is talking about AI building websites right now, but here's the problem. Most AI tools can generate code, not an actual business. In this video, I want to test something different. Can we build a real affiliate store using AI for research, a spreadsheet as a backend, and then turn it into a live website using SpreadSimple? First of all, let's start with what is affiliate marketing exactly. So affiliate marketing is you need to promote a product using a unique link, and every time someone buys through that link, you earn a commission, or you can say you will earn a percentage of that sale. So why it's attractive, let's talk about that. So in affiliate marketing, you don't have to need any inventory, you don't need to handle customer support, or you don't even need to create any new product. You are basically promoting an existing product. Now let's talk about the numbers. So the global affiliate marketing industries is projected to surpass 15 to 17 billion dollars in 2026 alone. So this is the opportunity you can see here. It's not like a side business, you can do like a complete full business as well. To start this, we need some products to promote. Instead of manually browsing affiliate network for hours, I'm going to use Claude AI to speed up the research. I will ask something, give me 20 tools in AI productivity niche that could work for an affiliate website. Why Claude? Because it's great at structured list and research style outputs, and it even gives clean readable recommendations, and it's fast too when exploring niches and ideas, so it's like perfect for this stage. First of all, I want to tell this, like, we are not using AI to build the business for us. We are using AI to collect and organize product ideas, and then using SpreadSimple to turn that data into a real website. Now let's go back to Claude. Now here you can see on Claude, I told it to give me 20 tools in AI productivity niche that would work for affiliate store, and it started giving me all 20 products including content creation, writing, meetings, design and visual content, productivity workflows, video and audio tool. So I will choose some of the tools from here. These are the tools I selected: Notion, ClickUp and some other tools. I also included a line that structured the data into columns like product image, affiliate link, website URL, image URL and even the category. So it gives us the complete structured output that we can simply copy paste into the Google Sheet that we are going to use to create our website. Now it gives us the complete sheet as you can see. Now all you need to do is just head over to SpreadSimple. I will put link in description box below and create your account. Once you create your account, just click on this new website, and here you have three options to create your first website: from template, Google Sheet and the AI. Let's start one by one. So if you want to create it using template, just search for the template name or choose from the list. Like if you want to create for affiliate store, we have the affiliate template. Just click on use template if you want to use, or if you want to view it first, just click on the view button, and here you can see this was our template. And if you want to create it using Google Sheet, just paste your sheet link and it will create the website. I'm going to create it using AI creator. So all you need to do is just tap on AI creator, and now you need to describe your site, or you can select the prompts below to generate. We have prompts like affiliate store, template store, job board, and we have the tourist guide available too. I already have a prompt, so I will paste it. You can just normally type what you want your website to be. Like if you want to create affiliate store, just type in a simple word too, that works too. Or you can select the prompts here as well, like affiliate store, grocery store, and we have lots of other prompts available too. And once you choose that, it will start creating the website for you. As you can see here, it started to building the theme. It will automatically add all the images for us. It will take like 2 or 3 minutes to build your website fully, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the website you can see here. We can take a look here, and if you don't like this, you can change it too. Just click on try another prompt and it will recreate it. If not, just click on this continue to editor button and just allow this permission, so it will create to your Google Sheet that we will connect. So it can take all details from the affiliate things like we have added before: image, URL, product name and all of this stuff. So we'll just click on this continue button and create our account from here on. Connect our account to a Google Sheet, and now you can see our account is connected and we are ready to use. Now the first step is click on this edit in Google Sheets. Here you need to replace the default sheet with the data that Claude generated for us. This sheet contains everything like your price, ratings, affiliate links, trial availabilities, categories and all the product details. Once you save the sheet and refresh the page, just simply click on this refresh button right here. Now you can see on the updated page all our price and everything is updated right here. Now one thing you might notice is that some product images may not match with the actual tool logos. For example, the Notion image here is different and all of the other images as well. It's just a random image from the internet. To fix this, all you need to do is just tell Claude that use the correct logo for each tool. You can manually paste the correct logo URL as well directly into your sheet. Once you do that and refresh the website, it will be fixed too. But I told Claude to do it for me, so I will just copy the link again and just paste it here. Now I will just click on this refresh button, and now you can see some of the images are now fixed. And if you want to fix all, you can just manually put the logos here. That's very easy work for you. Now you can see here, this is fully optimized for mobile view as well. If you want to see the mobile theme, here is mobile theme. We can open each product. We have all the categories of product available, like trending tools and all of the other stuffs available here. If you want to customize anything, you have the complete control over the website. You can add try button, buy button, even you can change the names, add additional section and customize the overall layout however you want. You can also choose between multiple layouts available like vertical, horizontal, or any other formats that fits your brand. There is also many additional features available inside this platform. When someone clicks the buy button, they will be redirected to your affiliate link automatically since we already added the affiliate URL in the sheet. We also have checkout settings available. If you are building a dropshipping store, you can fully customize the checkout process, add instructions, conditions, and decide exactly what user will see during checkout. On the top of that, we have complete website setting where you can manage your domain, website configuration, and even your branding part as well. You can also add your social media links directly from here. Simply click on the social media option and choose the platform you want to add. For example, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or YouTube. Paste your URL and it will be instantly appear on your website. It's very simple to set up. Now, if we go to the pages and links section, you can manage all of your website pages from here. If you want to add a new page, it will be appear instantly. The same works for deleting the page as well. You can delete the page here as well. For example, if I want to add a new page here, you can see I added a new page. You can customize the complete page from here. Now let's move forward to add-on section. Here we have multiple built-in add-ons available including URL replacement tags, RSS feed, WhatsApp integration, order button, live chat, Google Analytics, YouTube integration, PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe, and many other integrations here. You can see like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and we have the MailChimp, and we have all the integrations available here. And finally, we have the appearance section. From here, you can completely change the look and feel of your website. You can enable features like scroll to top button, customize colors, change theme, and manage the overall design. You can also edit the text, upload your own logo, or remove it anytime from this setting. For example, if you want to delete the footer text, simply remove it from here and it will be disappear from your website footer as well. Now let me show you how to change the hero section image. Simply click on upload button and select any image you want. You can search for like AI related image directly inside the platform and they provide a huge library of ready to use images. You can upload your own custom images if you want. For example, I selected this AI image and now you can see how our final website looks. Honestly, it looks pretty amazing, but the most interesting part here of this entire setup is how everything is controlled directly through Google Sheets. Let me show you how that works. Right now, the product price is set to like $10. If we want to open the Google Sheet and change the price to 15, and now let me show you I will just enter the price 15 here and then I will save the sheet and the website will automatically update the new price. We don't need to edit new code or manually change anything on the website. Now let me refresh the page here. You can see price is updated instantly. I think this is one of the biggest USP of this system because you can manage your entire website directly from Google Sheet, even from your mobile phone, and all the changes reflects immediately on the live website. So that's basically the full tutorial how to use the website, and that's basically full tutorial how you can create your first affiliate store using spreadsheet as a backend, use AI for research, and SpreadSimple to create your first website. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.